Hi friends, it's me Taylor, and today I'm gonna make yummy cookies with my sister Hailey.
And I'm gonna make awesome yummy cookies with my sister today, and we're gonna head on and start.
First step is washing hands so we don't get sick.
And our hands will get dirty.
First we're gonna preheat the oven for 350 degrees. We melted 3/4 of butter.
We have 1 cup of brown sugar.
And we have sugar. Just added 1 cup of peanut butter. Do you like peanut butter? We do. Yum.
Yum.
Time
to mix. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. I know it's gonna be delicious.
Then we're gonna add the eggs to our bowl.
And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Let's try the next one. Now drop it.
Mixy. Now we add flour. 2.5 cups of
Flour.
flour.
Yeah, you too.
We're adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
I added a 1/2 teaspoon of salt on top. Mixy.
Then we added 2 cups of chocolate chips.
Yum.
Yum.
Mixy. We're gonna put it on the pan.
Go. Now. We're gonna put them in the oven now.
It's in the oven now. Have fun. While you're waiting, you can play, go for a walk,
Or do whatever you want.
you can play a game or sing a song or do it.
Frozen 2 on Disney Plus. You can do that while you're waiting too.
Our cookies are done. Don't they look delicious?
Wow.
Let's try them.
Let's try them.
They're really good.
They taste like peanut butter.
If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Bye.
Hello. I'm Hailey and cookies with my sister and I
Yum. Goodbye.
Tay's making me.
Oh,
Dump, Hailey. Did you see all those?
Did you see all of them? If you didn't, just look at them. And see you next time. But we're gonna see you. No, we're gonna see you till the cookies are ready. Bye. Can you smell them in the screen? If you're stuck at home.
that the
coronavirus.
Try our recipe.
Don't. Hello. I'm gonna tell you something before we leave. When are you gonna come here? If you do come here today, it's gonna be even better today. And
Isn't that nice?
Bye. 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 And subscribe them to the below.